as a real estate agent, I need to know all of that different type of fundamentals of just the building process so I can be better assist my clients. I can also do construction, I can do anything.
So small didn't matter. I ordered small and that's what we get.
My hands are just so small.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, you know, kindergartners have bigger hands than mine. My goal is to actually know the process of being able to build a home from the ground up so that way I can offer more to my clients, to be able to offer to them, you know, structural, you know, advice or just any kind of advice in different areas. With a licensed general contracting license, I would be able to also build, which I would like to subdivide and build subdivisions. Really cool to be able to learn all the different fundamentals of building a home and even building like we were doing benches and steps and stuff. So it's been really fun. I'm very excited.
All the little steel straps.
Normally I'm a pretty skittish guy, but this program's kind of giving me some structure as we're putting structure to these buildings.
That's out here on the back awning.
I definitely did a transition. In school, I was more of a book learner. I was taking AP courses in high school, and it's kind of weird for me. It's like I did this sort of transition. I got out of high school, and then I just started working more maintenance jobs. It gives you the sense of accomplishment. So I really enjoy the whole hands-on experience and actually building things with my own hands. It's a different sense of fulfillment.
All the people within the course are awesome to work with. The morale is really very uplifting. It's fun. Nelson, our instructor, is so fun. He just is constantly laughing.
They got some big expectations out of us and vice versa. It's a really neat environment where it's a community where we all know our tasks and our responsibilities, and we're all expected to pretty much fulfill our part.
You can drill it out of the other one.
These tiny homes, it's going to give me the skill set I need for the future to maybe do something for myself. My little brother is actually working at this program. We have a few plans for the future, getting some land, using the skills that we learned here to, you know, kind of make a secret room in our own house, or just really neat stuff like that. Anything that comes to our imagination, we'll be able to have the skill set to bring that to fruition.
And then let's see, we're gonna take Josh and Isabel and Devin and
What? You're taller than me. We know that we can make mistakes and we are not judged on our mistakes, and so we can make mistakes and then our teammates and everybody just kind of shows us the right way of doing something, so that way we don't get self-conscious, insecure. We are all learning, so it's a great atmosphere, and the way that I think the instructors look at everything is really just a great, just inspirational viewpoint that Nelson and Clayton look at how we're doing everything, so it's exciting.
Devin, stop right there. Till their other partnership can put their 2x4 on the back.
They give you instructions, and then you just kind of go from there, and there's a number of different teams that are together that where we can ask one another what to do or how to do this, or just some advice from some of the other teammates.
Yeah, and they're about $1,000 a beam, so we gotta be really attentive. There's mistakes we're gonna make, but we'll try our best not to make them. Born and raised here. I went to high school here at Amphi. Once I first got my maintenance job out of high school, that's when I started learning a lot and really enjoying it.
Maybe a 25-pound box right in here.
You can go from not being able to, do a type of trade, because usually you got to learn on site, and you got to get an employer to hire you.
Good job, Josh. I like the fact that you're taller than I am.
Which a lot of times, that's a lot of training that some employers don't want to do. They already want you experienced. But because of the lapse and contractors, that is going to be all these different people are going to be retiring. There's not going to be any tradesmen.
Way to go, David.
As a real estate agent, I need to know all of that different type of, fundamentals of just the building process, so I can be better assist my clients. I can be an all-in-one kind of package as a real estate agent. I can also do construction. I could do anything.
All right, stop right there.
The biggest thing I'm looking forward to is just learning the skill set. You know, you notice all the time around the city, construction's taking a little while. A couple, like a bridge project might take 5 years or more. So it might be cool to maybe help expedite that process and be a part of the city as well, being able to build bridges or washes, or be able to drive by and tell my kids, hey, Dad helped build that. You're welcome.
Think about your space, think about how it moves. And so then, Junior, you're going to back yourself in here.
It's just an awesome experience. I would definitely recommend it. This is a perfect opportunity.
I don't think there's a program that quite exists like Ideal Institute. There's communication, there's respect.
Let's go down here and do this in.
And I just never seen something structured the quietest way as I seen the school structured. That's why I really like it here, because it really is a community, essentially.